Want to effortlessly share discounts or promo codes on your WordPress site? In this video, we are exploring the coupon code block from Nextblocks. Perfect for showcasing standard, peel-off, scratch card or slide-out coupons with interactive reveals. You will learn how to select the perfect coupon type, set redirection, or mask links, all without coding. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Nextblock Pro plugin, go to Nextblock, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here, select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Nextblocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Nextblock Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the coupon code block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for coupon code. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of coupon code block from Nextblocks. First, you have to select the coupon type. Here you'll find 4 coupon types: standard, pill, scratch, and slide out. We'll see each coupon type one by one. So let's say the standard first. For the standard coupon type, you will find some predefined styles. Each will add a unique style to your coupon code. Let's say them: style 1, style 2, style 3, style 4, and style 5. Let's continue with style 1 for now. In the title field, you can add the title that will display in the front of the coupon code. From the content alignment, you can align the content in the coupon code. Then from the box alignment, you can align the coupon code. From the redirect field, you can add a redirection link if you want user to redirect to a different page after clicking on the coupon code. In the copy code section, you have to add the content for the actual coupon code. In the code field, you have to add the coupon code. Then from the select action section, you can set the action how the coupon code will display. You can set it on click, so it will open on click, or you can open the coupon code in a pop-up. If you select click, you will find 2 options. You can enable or disable the arrow when the coupon code shows. You can also show or hide the copy button that will display beside the coupon code. For pop-up, again you can enable disable the arrow. Then in the title, you can add a title for the pop-up. You can add description. And you can change the copy button text. You can also change the text that will show after the coupon code is copied. Then for the redirection button, you can change the button text from the visit text field. In the extra options tab, you will find some additional options. If you have selected the pop-up action, you will see this tab reverse toggle. By enabling this, you can show the pop-up in a new tab. So once user clicks on it, the pop-up will open in a new tab. If you have selected the click action, then you will see these 2 options. Save in cookies. This will save the user action. So if the user has opened the coupon code, it will save it in the cookies. If they visit the page again, it will show the coupon code directly. Then from the hide link beta toggle, you can mask your redirection URL. In the link masking text, you can add a text that will show instead of the URL you have set over here in the redirect link. You can also open multiple pages on a single click. To do that, you have to use these repeater items. Let's see the options. You can add a label for the repeater that will show over here. Then you can set a link. So once the user clicks on the coupon code, it will open the link you have set in the redirect link. Also, the link you have set in this field. You can click on the add link button to add more links. Now let's see how this click and pop-up action looks. For this one, we have set the action to pop up. For this one, we have set the action to click. This is how the pop-up looks. And this is how the click action looks. Now let's see the pill option. This will allow user to peel off the front side of the coupon to see the coupon code. You can adjust the width, height, then you can add content separately for the front side and back side. For the front side, you can add content as normal text, or you can use a pattern. If you don't have a pattern, you can click on the create pattern button to create a new pattern, or you can use a pattern. From the backend visibility toggle, you can show the pattern over here. This is for visual purposes only. Then from the Ajax load, you can set how the pattern will load. You can set it to default, or you can use standard Ajax. With standard Ajax, the pattern will load once the user clicks on it. Then from the backside tab, you have to add the content for the coupon code. Again, you can add text, you can add title, a description, or you can use a pattern. Again, we'll see this backend visibility toggle and Ajax load option. Now let's see how this effect looks in the front end. This is how it looks. Now let's see the scratch option. With this coupon type, user have to scratch the front of the coupon to see the coupon code. You can set the width, height. From the fill % for reveal section, you can set how much users have to scratch the coupon to see the coupon code. Again, you can set front and back side content separately. Front side, you can add text content, or you can use pattern. Again, we'll see this backend visibility, Ajax load options. Backside, again, you can use text or pattern with same options. Let's see how it looks in the front end. Now let's see the slide out type. With this, users have to slide the front side to see the coupon code. Again, you can adjust the width, height. Then from the slide out direction, you can set the direction, which direction the slide will move. You can set left, top, right, bottom. Then from the direction hint toggle, you can add a hint on the front side to show users which way the users have to slide the front side. Again, we'll find same option to add the content for the front side and back side. You can use text, pattern. Backside, again, you can use text or pattern. Let's see how it looks. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. Keep in mind, you will see different styling option for the standard, and we'll see different styling option for pill, scratch, and slide out. So let's see the standard style first. Even in the standard styles, you will see different styling option based on your selected predefined style. From the standard tab, you can style the front side of the coupon. From here, you can adjust the button typography. You can even use global typography. You can adjust the width, padding. You can adjust the text color, arrow color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. Then from the copy code tab, you can adjust the style of the backside of the coupon code. You can adjust the typography, padding. You can adjust the text color, background, border radius for normal and hover states. Now, if you have selected the style as pop-up, you will see this pop-up related options. From the pop-up model tab, you can adjust the style of the pop-up model box. You can adjust the width, height, padding. You can adjust the background, border, box shadow for normal and hover states. By enabling the scroll bar toggle, you can adjust the scroll bar style. From the pop-up close button tab, you can adjust the pop-up close style. You can adjust the width, size. You can adjust the icon color, background, border radius for normal and hover states. From pop-up title, you can adjust the title of the pop-up. You can adjust typography, padding. You can adjust text color, background, border for normal and hover states. You can adjust the pop-up description from here. You can adjust typography, padding. You can adjust margin. You can adjust text color, background, border for normal and hover states. From pop-up copy button tab, you can adjust the pop-up copy button style. You can adjust typography, padding, margin. You can adjust text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. From the pop-up visit button, you can adjust the visit button style. In the pop-up, you can adjust typography, padding, margin. You can adjust text color, background, border, box shadow for normal and overstays. In the extra options tab, you can add an overlay to the pop-up. From overlay color, you can add an overlay color. Then from the overlay backdrop filter toggle, you can add different filters to the overlay. If you've selected any of these fill, scratch or slide out, you will see these styling options. You can add border, adjust border radius. You can adjust the background for the front and back side. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling option to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the coupon code block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.